How to change game mode in Farlight 84. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. On Farlight 84, if you want to change the game mode, first of all launch open the game on your device and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the game mode at the bottom right corner, this one over here, just tap on it and you'll be able to see different game modes at the bottom. You can select between ranked, matchmaking, arcade, training, etc. Just go ahead and select the game mode you want to change to. From there, you can also choose the map if available. You can also choose whether you want to play first person or third person, if you want auto squad, and then click on confirm. And then once you are done selecting the mode, click on the start game button. So that's how you change the game mode in Farlight 84. Some modes are only available during special events or seasons, so the list of available modes may change over time. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.